Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day and start to the weekend. Here in Florida, we are preparing for, I guess, Tropical Storm Debbie, whatever. So, been an interesting week, be an interesting weekend. But today we're going to talk about how to improve the look of aging facial skin overnight. And I know I've done a few videos on this type of topic, but I've got some really good news today for folks who are dealing with extra dry skin, not having a lot of satisfaction in the level of improvement they're seeing in their skin. So we're going to be talking about 2 steps to super hydrate and improve the skin's barrier, which is going to make your skin look much, much better starting the very next day. And the great news is these are a couple of products that are very inexpensive. They're from Versed Skincare, one of the newer skincare brands, but still one of my favorites, especially since they're cruelty-free, vegan, they use sustainable packaging, and their formulations are very, very unique. So let's get this hair out of my face. Right there. Okay, so right before we jump in quickly here, because there are a lot of you that are new to the channel and don't know who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been in skincare for 37 years. Helping folks find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, especially today, and not do them more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. So as I've often said, one of the quickest ways to improve the way your skin looks is to infuse it with a lot of moisture. As we get older, skin loses its ability to hold moisture for a variety of reasons. Skin cell turnover slows down, leading to that microscopic layer of dead skin cells that actually block products, and leading to even more dryness of the skin barrier. So it's like a vicious cycle. Collagen production also slows down and skin becomes less elastic. And we often try to address this with lotions, heavy creams, and even oils, but not all of those work for everybody. So I'm really excited to introduce this particular product to you guys. This is Versed Skincare's Sunday Morning Antioxidant Serum. It's actually an antioxidant serum along with an oil phase that works, and this oil is very light, it totally absorbs, and it's not greasy. So really amazing stuff. It has camellia oil and sea buckthorn extract, which we've talked about those 2 ingredients at length from a holistic skincare perspective here on the channel. The 2 of these together actually help reduce inflammation, improve redness, and strengthen that skin barrier, retaining more moisture, while the water phase of this hybrid serum uses chamomile extract along with vitamin E and sodium hyaluronate, which acts much like hyaluronic acid, pulling in moisture and trapping it in those upper layers of the skin, making your skin look bouncy, fresh, hydrated, and youthful. So take a look at this product. You can see here that it's separated, so you have to shake it up. And you would apply this to clean skin morning and night to help improve your skin's lipid layer with the camellia oil, the sea buckthorn extract, and of course the vitamin E. So we shake this up and you can see it looks a lot different when you shake it up. You take a few drops of this, you place it on your fingers, massage that across your fingers, and then you want to pat that in. This is even good for eyelids. Believe it or not, so many products are not good for your eyelids, but this particular formulation serum is. Just pat that in. It takes just a few minutes for it to absorb completely. And you've just applied a super hydrating serum to your skin that's going to make it look immediately better. This bottle of serum will last you up to 60 days for a cost of $20. But we're not done, because remember, the title of this video is Overnight Aging Facial Skin Repair. So we've completed 1 step. So again, you can use that product morning and night. And some of you may recall that I've talked about a very powerful step you can take at night to help improve anything you're doing on your skin, any products you're using, from this type of product all the way to tretinoin, helping to keep that product's ingredients active longer, giving you much faster results and better looking skin. We call that slugging. But there's a problem for a lot of people with slugging, because a lot of the mediums or the skincare ingredients that are used are greasy and thick, get on pillowcases, which is actually not always great for every skin type, especially super oily or acne prone. Well, I have an answer for you today, and it's Versed Skincare's Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. So this is actually a super hydrating cream that leaves your skin very hydrated and bouncy if you use it during the day, and makes an excellent slugging or capping mechanism as a last step before you go to bed at night. And it's not going to get all over your clothes or your sheets, but what it will do is do all of the same things that those other mediums that I just talked about can do for your skin overnight with your other skincare products. It works for every skin type, including oily and acne prone. This formula also contains sodium sodium hyaluronate, which works a lot better for a lot of people than hyaluronic acid does, along with green tea and aloe leaf extract, two really amazing natural ingredients that can just do wonders for skin, helping to hydrate it, helping to support collagen production, and helping to even out and brighten the complexion. Now, these are all natural ingredients, which I just think are amazing. These are well thought out formulations. This one has a jelly-like texture, as you can see here. Very light. You just massage that lightly into the skin. Again, this product can be used on the upper eyelids without a problem. It's going to provide deep hydration day or night, but specifically in this video, we're talking about using it as a capping mechanism. The green tea and aloe extract is extremely soothing to skin. So if you have any redness or sensitive skin issues, this is an excellent product to try. This product comes in at 4 ounces for $23, and it's going to also last you about 60 days. Just in the minute I've been speaking, this is already completely absorbed and my skin feels nice and smooth and hydrated. And the sodium hyaluronate component of this formula is going to pull moisture in to the skin overnight, giving you a fresh, bouncy, glowy, dewy looking skin in the morning. And it's going to help your other skincare products and treatments work better. I hope you guys found this 2-step video on how to improve the way your skin looks overnight, the very first night you do it, helpful. If you did, please like it, share it out. It really helps the channel. And for even more ways to improve the way your skin looks, no matter what your age, check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. 422,000 subscribers. This channel is growing so fast, and it's all thanks to you guys. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.